Ever pondered the myriad challenges that computer and IT students grapple with on a daily basis? From cracking complex code to understanding intricate algorithms, it's a world that demands constant learning and adaptation. In such a rapidly evolving field, having a guiding light can make all the difference. One such beacon over the past 15 years has been Jigar Sir's I Need tutorials. Imagine being a young, bright-eyed student in the year 2009, eager to delve into the world of computers and IT, but finding yourself lost in a labyrinth of complex concepts. That's when Jigar Sir stepped onto the scene with a vision to simplify this complex world for students. His I Need tutorials came into existence as a haven for those struggling to grasp the vast and ever-changing world of information technology. Fast forward 5 years to 2014. Jigar Sir's I Need tutorials had already made a name for itself, helping hundreds of students navigate their way through their BCA and M.scIT courses. It wasn't just about passing exams, but about truly understanding and loving the subject matter. The tutorials were not just classes, but a community where students could share their doubts, their achievements, and their love for all things computer-related. As the years rolled by, Jigar Sir's I Need tutorials evolved with the times. When the world started leaning heavily towards digital learning in 2019, Jigar Sir was already one step ahead. He had begun incorporating digital tools and online resources into his tutorials, ensuring his students were always on the cutting edge of technology. Now, here we are, in the year 2024. The landscape of computer science and IT has changed drastically over the last 15 years. Coding languages have come and gone, new algorithms have been developed, and technology has advanced at an unprecedented rate. Yet, through all these changes, one thing has remained constant: Jigar Sir's unwavering commitment to his students. His I Need tutorials have not only kept pace with the changing times, but have also been a catalyst for change, pushing the boundaries of traditional learning and paving the way for a new era of digital education. So if you're a student venturing into the world of computers and IT, don't let the complexity daunt you. Embrace the challenge, thrive on it. And remember, you don't have to do it alone. Jigar Sir's I Need tutorials are here to guide you every step of the way. So why wait? Join the ranks of the many successful students who have passed through the doors of Jigar Sir's I Need tutorials. It's time to shape your own future in the world of computers and IT. Because at the end of the day, the power to transform your dreams into reality lies in your hands, and with Jigar Sir's I Need tutorials, those dreams are never too far from reach.